Color grading is how you change the mood and style of your video by adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, and colors. It's like makeup for your footage, and today, we'll learn how to do it in 3 easy steps.
Hey guys, welcome back to Create with Freething, where editing becomes easy. If you are visiting us for the first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to hit that like button and turn on post notifications so you don't have to miss any of our videos.
This isn't a filter. This is what happens when you color grade your video the right way. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to go from flat and boring to cinematic and professional, all using CapCut on your phone. Let's begin.
First of all, you enter your CapCut app, you import your footage. So after importing your footage, you proceed with color correction. So that's where you go into your adjust. You see contrast. Contrast is to punch your video, is to increase depth and darkness. You see saturation. Saturation is to boost the color slightly to make the footage come alive. You see brilliance. Brilliance is like sunlight. It makes the video sparkle, it makes the video shine. You see sharpen. Sharpen is to make edge and the image visible. You see temperature, to cool and to make it warm, and different basics you need to know about color grading. And you know, one secret about color grading is not about following a particular principle. Color grading is exploring into the CapCut app and finding the best result for your video or for your picture. There's no particular diaphragm you follow, or there's no particular ignition you need to like follow step by step. All you have to do is go into the CapCut app, explore, try one or two until you find yourself and until you get the best result of what you are editing. So let's start applying these things. So since you already import your video into the CapCut app and you want to color grade it, so you proceed with the saturation. You increase the saturation of the video. Saturation is to add colors. So you don't put it at 50, you maybe put it at 45 or 40, so it won't be too much in the video. Then also it's not like there's a particular amount. So since I just called 40, you can either drag it back or drag it front to see if it's giving you exactly what you are looking for. But for this video, I think I would take brilliance back. I'll take brilliance to -5. Since saturation is already at 40, I will put brightness at 10. Then I'll go straight to sharpen. This is to make an image visible. So I'll put sharpen at 60. That's to make it bold, so you can see everything on the clip. So also you can use the HSL effect. Here you can increase the red and saturation. You can put it at 50. Then for the sky, you go to, since we take it back, it's not giving what we're looking for, you take it forward, put it at 45. Uh, 45, yes. Then black points, you increase black points so it will not be too bright. -5. Then temperature, you take temperature to -5 as well. And that's it. That's how you color grade your your video. Then another thing you can also do to make your video pump, but for this clip is already very shiny. If these are if this clip is not this shiny, or maybe you want to like edit for cinematic, you can
Cinematic edit.
You can use the LUT effect. Here you go into your flitter, you click on Berlin. So this Berlin, you don't put it at 100%. No, you leave it at either 65 or 70. So let's leave it at 70. So this is automatically a cinematic edit. So you want to go back to your adjust. If you're editing for cinematic, you want to go back to your adjust. You want to increase your saturation. To 25, and you want to reduce your brilliance, so it will be giving you that cinematic -50, and you can click on the check mark and boom, you got a cinematic edit. But since we did not come here because of this cinematic edit, we came here because of just color grading that footage. You see the before and the now, so you can quickly tap on the cinematic and delete it, and this is what we got. So I just showed you how you can color grade your video from this to this. You just finished watching now, Abi? Oh yeah, subscribe. Please subscribe, and don't forget to like too. Drop your comment. What do you want me to talk more about on this video? Drop your comment, please.